everyone, I'm Veronica and I'm the host of the Dailey Kitchen YouTube channel. I wanted to just make a quick introduction video to share with you what my goal is with this channel and a little bit about myself. So I've been a professional chef for over 20 years. I have a culinary arts degree and I've been teaching plant-based cooking classes for the whole time that I've been a professional chef. And I'm really excited to share my expertise here now on YouTube. So my main focus is sharing whole food plant-based nutrition following the Daily Dozen diet. So if you don't know about the Daily Dozen diet, check out the link in the description below for my video called What is the Daily Dozen? And also check out my playlist for the Daily Dozen meal prep and visit my website dailyfoods.com where I share the beginner's guide to Daily Dozen meal prep, as well as a whole bunch of meal plans, recipes, and more inspiration for eating a healthy whole food plant-based diet. So I hope that you follow along and subscribe and that I inspire you to take great care of your body through whole food plant-based nutrition. So I'll see you in the next video.